Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up on GCash account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So it's a very easy method, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And now here we go. So now first of all, open up your GCash app, make sure it's an updated one, and that is it. Next up, it will simply ask you to provide your number. So go ahead, add in your number and tap on next at the bottom. And then it will simply send you an OTP number. So make sure to wait for the message. And once you have submit the OTP number, you will be able to create yourself a MPIN, which you will need for you to sign in, for you to do your transaction, for you to do any kind of setting in it, even to change your number, change your PIN, you would need the OTP. So make sure to remember the OTP correctly and do not keep it simple as well, not easily guessable. Once you make yourself an MPIN number, then you're gonna tap on this login with biometrics as well. So you can create yourself a biometrics. It can be your face scan, can be your fingerprints, anything for your easy access on GCash app, and confirm and save the MPIN as well and the biometrics as well. And this is it for this video. Hope this video helped. I'll see you guys in our next video.